Separate your feet hip distance apart and reach straight back with your big toes. Spin your inner thighs away from one another and firm your outer ankles in. Now stay rooted in your lower body. Inhale, lift your head, chest, and shoulders. Lift the heads of your upper arms up and back and keep your chin heavy. So this pose, baby cobra, strengthens erector spinae, which are the muscles along the spine. And from the back, they help to keep your torso in an upright position. Have a smooth and steady breath against the back of your throat, matching the length of your inhales with the length of your exhales. Take a final cycle of breath here. Now keep the lift of your chest. Place your hands next to your lower ribs and actually have your hands touching your sides. Pin your elbows in. Inhale, press up, Urdhva Mukha Svanasana, upward facing dog. Immediately pause here and take a look at your shoulders. Make sure they're exactly over your wrists. Spin your inner thighs away from one another and from your outer ankles in. Now draw your pelvis forward and down, but against that, lift the tops of the thighs. Pull the entire back of your body into the front body, opening your chest. Take one more inhale here, look up. Exhale, roll over your toes, come to down dog.